I never made it. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up like this. I'm far away from Earth and I wanna know if you exist. Mission control, do you read me? Send me my coordinates lately. Mission control, am I drifting? Tie me to someone who will love me.
Ayun o, Torres Farm. Ayan. Punta ka dun, tapos hintayin mo ako.
Ayan na ang ating boss.
Ayun, bayad ka na.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
What is up guys? Welcome to the vlog. So nandito na tayo sa loob ng Torres Farm. No? Ayan. So makita nyo, ito yung lugar oh. Ayan, so may swimming pool. So yung mga iba-ibang team ng ano. Yan. So nandun banda yung entrance. So iikutin natin to guys, para ipakita sa inyo yung iba-ibang lugar. So international to guys. Nandito yung makikita mo dito yung Paris, yung Sydney, Egypt. So yeah, mamaya. Sa itong mga ano na to, yung mga team na bahay na yan, actually hotel yan. Pwedeng tulugan yan, pwedeng upahan. So pagka magpupunta kayo dito, kung mag-overnight kayo, mamimili lang kayo ng gusto nyong ano, kung gusto nyong tirhan. Gusto nyo yung tipong parang bahay ng ano, hari ng Saudi, yun, ganoon. Ito parang ano, parang ranch, no? Yan.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, until my shadow turns to sun rays.
Wow. May puso.
Yan dito, diyan ka na, kuhain mo to. Doon ka, kuhain mo to.
Ang dali lang, kukunin ko hanggang doon, oh. Pipitch. Mag-video muna ako.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
nila.
finding life along the way. Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Eh, parang Lego house ah.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go.
Parang may kilala ako dito ah. Ayun oh. Kilala ko to ah. Isu. Ito naman.
Dali, nagpatingin nga. Kita na yung ano ko dyan.
Alin?
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So yun guys no. Pauwi na kami. So maganda naman dito. Madaming makikita. Actually yung sadya namin, nagpa picture lang kami. Pero dito sa lugar na to, sa Torres Farm, ay pwede kayong mag-spend ng ano dito, overnight. Kasi meron ditong yung mga nakita nyong mga bahay na halimbawa parang sa Dubai, sa ano, actually mga ano yon, mga tulugan yon, pwedeng tulugan yung mga yon, pwedeng upahan yon para matulugan, para makapag-spend kayo ng overnight. Tapos may swimming pool din. Halos lahat naman ng mga mga parang villa nila ay may ano, may resort, ay may private pool no. So pwede kayong maligo. Pwede rin magdala ng pagkain. Kaya maganda rin pagka may oras kayo, pasalan nyo rin ito. Lugar na ito maganda. Ayan, dito hindi tayo nakapagpakuha, pero at least kuha sa camera ngayon. Ayan, windmill, Netherlands. Okay, malabas na tayo. So yun guys, pauwi na kami. Actually hindi pa pauwi na kami, pero dadaan pa kami ng Kaibiyang no. Dito kami dadaan, maglulok kami ng Kaibiyang, Nasugbu, Tagaytay, tapos pababa ng Kabuyaw dun sa may Rempan ha. So okay, sa susunod na episode naman itong susunod na vlog ko.